Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Nizel Elenon, 37 years old, from Pandan, Antique, Philippines. High school graduate. My height is 157 and my weight is 45 kilogram. I am married and I have 4 children. I have 6 sisters, 4 brothers. I am 7 daughters of my family. I have work experience local and abroad. I do all the housework, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of the children or baby. I have experience in Middle East, in Jordan and Singapore. My job in Jordan is do house chores and helping in the kitchen and ironing. And my job in Singapore is cleaning, ironing, cooking, and look after the 2 children. I can accept any kind of job and I can accept 2 days off in a month. I promise I work hard, loyal, and honest. I can follow the instruction if needed. And I'm looking forward for you, ma'am and sir. Thank you and have a nice day.